नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहणार आहोत सायन्स फर्स्टचा सेकंड चॅप्टर पिरियॉडिक क्लासिफिकेशन्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्सचे नोट्स. तर चला तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या आपल्या व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करूयात. सेकंड चॅप्टर पिरियॉडिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. फर्स्ट नोट: टुडे 118 elements are known in the world. In year 1800 only 30 elements were known. Next, in 1817, Dobereiner made group of 3 elements having same chemical properties are called triads. He arranged 3 elements in triad in increasing order of atomic mass and showed that atomic mass of middle element is equal to the mean of atomic mass of other 2 elements. Next, in 1866, Johann Newlands arranged the elements in an increasing order of their atomic masses. It started with lightest element hydrogen and ended up with thorium. He found that every eighth element had properties similar to those of first. Next, the similarity observed in eighth and first elements is called as law of octaves. This law was applicable only up to calcium. Next, A.D. Mendeleev's periodic table was the most important step in the classification of element. By considered the fundamental property of element the atomic mass as standard and arranged 63 elements known at that time in increasing order of their atomic masses. Then he transferred this in periodic table according to physical and chemical properties of elements. Next, periodic law. Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Next, in periodic table, vertical columns are called groups and horizontal rows are called periods. Next, demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. First, atomic mass of cobalt and nickel is same. It was ambiguity regarding their sequence. Next, second, isotopes discovered have same chemical properties but differ atomic masses. It was challenged to their placing. Third, elements arranged in increasing order of atomic masses but mass does not appear uniform. Next, English scientist Henry Moseley showed with the help of experiments done using X-ray tube that atomic number corresponds to positive charge on nucleus or number of protons in nucleus of atom of element. Atomic number is more fundamental property than atomic mass. Next, modern periodic law. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. Next, in modern periodic table, classification is arranged in increasing order of their atomic number. Next, the modern periodic table is also called the long form of periodic table. In modern periodic table, horizontal rows are called periods. There are 1 to 7 periods. Vertical columns are called groups. There are 1 to 18 groups. Next, the entire periodic table is divided in 4 blocks: S block, D block, P block, and F block. Next, S block contains 1 and 2 group, D block contains 3 to 12 group, and P block contain 13 to 18 group, while F block contain 2 rows, lanthanide and actinide. Next, elements from atomic numbers 93 to 118 are man-made, radioactive and unstable. Next, the size of atom is indicated by its radius. Next, atomic radius is distance between nucleus and outermost shell. Atomic radius unit is picometer. Pm. Next, cation is formed from metal and ana is formed from non-metal. Tendency of atom to form a cation by losing its valence electron. This property is called electropositivity. The tendency of atom to attract electrons towards it is called electronegative. Next, ions have stable electronic configuration of noble gas. Next, electropositivity is the metallic character of elements. Next, from going left to right, atomic radius decrease. Increase electronegativity and non-metallic character. Decrease electropositivity and metallic character. Next, from up to down, atomic radius increase. Decrease electronegativity and non-metallic character. Increase electropositivity and metallic character. Next, positive charge goes on increasing while the atomic radius goes on decreasing. Thank you so much friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.